In this video, I will be using my scan guide to create my t-shirt type piece. To start off, I want to set up my guides on a separate layer and mark out each line of text. I'm keeping the same height for each paired line. So if plan A and stay cool will be the same height, and the same for didn't work and 25 letters. I use rectangle to measure distance in Illustrator. It helps in maintaining same distance everywhere. Like here, I measured with rectangle to get the perfect distance. Keep the layer organized and make a habit to rename each layer. In this way, you can differentiate the layers. I've renamed them here. Next, I will be marking out the vertical boundaries here too. I want everything to align so that it looks clean and professional. Guides are so useful in creating precise design. So work with guides and you have pixel perfect design. Okay, now that I'm finished with my guides, it's time to start the type. So I will be drawing all my letters as squares. Why, you might ask? Well, later on I can streamline all of my curves in each letter very quickly and ensuring that they all have the same varying degree of a curve. You will see that I'm using a pen tool. I think it's the easiest and quickest way to create these lines. You can edit it easily too. You'll notice here I'm duplicating a lot of my shapes to form other letters. This helps with consistency of creating a typeface. The shapes can be morphed into other letters by using the flip tool or shortcut rotate R and transforming, mirroring the shape vertically or horizontally. You can use these small techniques to create amazing designs. They're easy to use and they give awesome results. If I am doubling up on letters, best to copy them and create again. Dragging and holding option duplicates. Moving to the next line, I will follow the same rules here. I'm going to create all the letters as squares, knowing I will round them later on. Hold tight. To copy and paste in the same alignment, you can select a shape, then use Shift and the Alt key. Even though the scanned image measurements are different, just follow the guides to align all the alphabets perfectly as measured here. Those were the rough sketches, and this is the final design, so it needs to be perfect. Here I'm copying the alphabet N, then go to Preference menu to uncheck Scale Strokes and Effect option. It will not scale down the stroke and effect if I scale down the object. I will do the same here. I'm duplicating letters or shapes to create another letter. Consistency makes for a good design. This R is a bit tricky and looks a little odd now, but I think the curves will fix it later, so I'm just going to leave it for now and drag a copy over to create the K. You can see how I'm creating R using O. You can also create different alphabets using already created alphabets. It will maintain consistency. So moving to the next line now, I'm going to finish this line in this video and the rest on next. On second thought, this isn't really working. I'd like to use a contrasting font here. I'm just using Arial for now and tracking out the kerning to match the rest of the words. It's time to take a break. We're halfway there. I will see you in the next video.